Hey y'all, it's Charity, and I'm here today to quickly create a notebook cover and back cover for my business. First, you start by going to File, Place Embedded, and the basic part of design to me is bringing in your background, and that's what I'm doing. Your background can be whatever image you choose. Um, I'm going to rotate this 90 degrees, and then I'm going to free transfer. Okay. Now, this particular notebook is 8 by 11. So let's make that bigger too. I don't like it right on it because sometimes just based on how your computer screen looks, it'll give you like a slither. So sometimes I don't know when the slither is actually empty space or just my screen taking a minute to catch up. So then I'm going to File, Place Embedded, bring in a girl that I've purchased. This is the one I want. Bring her in. With this being it goes up to 11 inch. I'm gonna take her down to 10, and she will, pretty much center her and let her be my guide for creating, so that I'll have a little bleed left on the top and bottom. So I just kind of went over everything, and then I'll align center and what is it? Vertically and horizontally. So this is her in the middle, basically. Because this is related to my business, I'm going to File, Place Embedded, and bring in my logo to put on her white shirt. I'm going to take it down. Okay. This particular notebook is going to be just kind of like my content manager. I'm going to make this bigger. Make this a little bigger. Okay, yeah. And then bring it down a little bit. Because this is just subtle details. The shirt. This will not be the focus at all. So I'm going to come in with my text. I'm going for like a neon kind of vibe. Making. So immediately, let's see. Well, there's no real way. And I don't want it right on the edge as far as the size is concerned, because there will need to be space for the binding. So 8 by 11 is totality, basically. So got this situated. Let's see. I'm going to do a mini template within my template. And well, not a template, but like a guide in my guide so that I can see. I'm going to do, I put in a rectangle. I'm going to do 8 by 11 to show exactly where, excuse me, and I've kind of lost it, to show exactly, okay, it didn't happen yet. So here, inches, I'm going to go with 8 by 11. Is that right? Couldn't have worked. I don't feel like anything moved. Free transform. 8. Yeah, height. Not go to 11. Unlock the dimensions. So 11. So this lets you see your actual real time space. So what I'll do, I will just create a clipping mask. Okay, create clipping mask. So this will let you know exactly. Okay, now I'm excited. So now touching my text, I'm gonna bring in some effects. Outer glow, like I said, I'm looking for a neon kind of situation. To do that, I'm going to take this field all the way down. Also going to bring our girl all the way to the forefront. Money making. Okay. Let's see. Okay, now I'm going to do a free transform because I want my stuff blocked. Let's see. So I'm holding shift. It's not really moving how I want it to move. It's scaling it instead of what I actually would like for it to do. But I'll do that in a minute. See how this is. I'm gonna do the same thing. Well, I'm gonna see if I can just copy the style. Copy layer style. How about pasting layer style? Yes. Money making, motivating, money making, motivating, manifesting. And I'm gonna put manifesting in the front. Cause baby, this is what we need more of. Mm. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can just do the same. Paste. Yes. But like I said, I'm gonna bring manifesting to the forefront. And I might just make it, yeah, I like it. I mean, it's big. Now, y'all, this is starting to speak to me. It feels like I made it for me. Well, obviously I am. money making, motivating, manifesting. I had one more that I could throw in there, but I'm gonna let it make it. Come in with charming, which is like one of my super favorite fonts. Yeah, that kind of just makes it weak. So I'm gonna change the font. Mommy, it's 200. As this is one of my biggest tasks. Oh y'all, I'm feeling this. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling this. I'm calling my last little word. You gotta speak it into existence, y'all. Okay, I'm tripping. So let me just do my same base layer style. Let's see how it looks behind her. Okay. Let's see. So I'm gonna have mobile. Oh, I forgot I have this in my actual space. So I'm going to take her up, actually size her down a bit. Oh my goodness. So cancel because I thought she was locked in. So I'm gonna come with retransform, lock her in place, keep her proportions together. Okay. And then I want this to be gold. So far I want it to be gold. Blending options. I have like a pre-made little thingy. So we'll see. I'm not mad at it. Let's see. So we can actually give sis a little bit of shadow or something. Let's see how that did if that did anything. Separating all this. Let's see. Opacity is up. It doesn't really matter. My background is kinda